Midnight run. So this is what the streets of New Delhi look like in peak winters, January, foggy. Hopefully in this video a little blurry. What a year it has been. What an absolute year this has been. Good thing I decided to get this motorcycle, which was absolute beast. I mean, from the utility standpoint of view, and from a more practical standpoint of view as well. It's pretty nice. I'm very glad I made this choice and got an Interceptor. Hopefully this year I'll be able to get some exhausts, some slip-ons for this motorcycle, some brake and clutch levers, nice ones, black ones, anodized, and the stock foot pegs in this motorcycle are actually pretty nice, but I'm thinking to change those as well. I'll do a little bit of research and then I'll order away. And quickly, let me add this. I'll thank you for everyone who subscribed to the channel. Those of you all who are supporting me by commenting, on liking the videos, thank you so much. I mean, this channel wouldn't have been anything without you guys. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that I invested in the night eye rather than getting a complete housing for the entire headlight setup, because that was cheap, that was effective, and much better in my opinion. And yes, an air filter, a K&N air filter is on its way. I love how the bike pulls. It's just so good. Hopefully this year, 2021, will turn out to be much better than 2020. Where there are no sudden turns, no accidents of any kind. And hopefully there are more videos in this year. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good night. Happy New Year. Boop.